bobo hui na yenje eye coaching so adwenche Ayala any coaching ni komo mama. Coach, good morning.
Coach. Morning na me tise na say no ka kotoko asema asede.
You do kotoko ne Sunderland in komo.
Yes, na minim say na nti na mo frɛ me ba nka me di bibi kakra afi mu de.
Of course, I can go and get first question ka me busa o.
I say you're a prophet.
With you.
Kotoko problem na da hono. Partnership with Real Madrid and Barcelona and Bayern Munich and Southampton. Sunderland and Southampton omuye the same level. Maybe we Premier kakra we go Division 1 by the championship of Besamba. Yeah, yatina Brutino. Omuna the trophies, the wire, Omuna Watford the wire now. Kotoko problem now is about say the management no more Kotoko. Omumba wants a man board no. That is the problem Kotoko is facing. Kotoko solution is not partnership with Real Madrid or Atletico Madrid. Kotoko solution is about the management. Ebro mo hase ema board na board no hu say mo kotina radio so wonhira mo say oh Dr. Kwame Adaroma Kofi Aba Adaroma omo yiskama ye de yetuma team ni be ye bia Exim Bank man Adaroma ye yetuma. That is the solution to Kotoko. Kotoko solution is not Southampton na Sunderland abane nam ha Sunderland nam ha yes sir play ikobo bo ye the Kotoko de tianete Kotoko the tia change bi ama Sunderland de koyi na usa ajakoja ati adane heaven and I say Kotoko kwaje Africa na yi Dr. Kwame ana di sika be share Kotoko mu aye mobo Ghana ide Kotoko group stage. The solution to Kotoko is about the management respecting the board. For the board to invest more in the club, they hold the money. Management no money ska. Chairman no name call for Kofi Abamu ni woska. No mo be share team. Jobu ko redo so a. Omo no mo wa wo omo. Ene Southampton. Who Dr. Kwame any Kofi Abamu sika no they have deep pockets. Na sika no so mo. Omo na say ye wa wo say something big is in Kotoko, which is Dr. Kwame Kofi Abamu, the Exim Bank man and commercial bank as a man. They have the money. That is why I mean na 248 na Mishra. That is the solution. And then big news now. Kotoko ye sana ye Kotoko chi investments at time ye TTD. Kotoko ni ebia we are we na ye de ni hachi we are almost emotional. No. The Kotoko solution is the management every day glorifying the board. In the Bible, Nyankopon, he does not share his glory with anybody. God doesn't share his glory. It is obviously times come Kotoko 32 billion. Some of our Kotoko management. Namoko radio. You have to give the board the praise. Give the board the praise for them to spend more. That is the solution. The solution is not saying, yeah, I can with you, Kotoko, this something. Adam voted 89. Ye hear me sikana Dr. Kwame Kofi Abamu yi atoto players papa maya timide. Dr. Kwame Kofi Abamu na e wo se ye wa omo. Na nye Southampton then or their break. So to me they make no Sunderland ye di bomu sa ye wa before no mo yi ska more. Na nye Kotoko yi. Be wu am na yi ska ye Kotoko kwaje Africa. We Herbert Abeyebi, Simsimu, Muzakil. Jinti ene se Dr. Kofi Abamu oha, moma ye wa omu. Na omu mumbu ati no more. Let me play on the emotions of the fans say, protecting me ba. Sunderland abada, ye undi ekusi. But these people have the deep pocket. Ye wa omu. Ye respect yomu, no moma Kotoko. Intimindi.
Coach, ye about Chan tournament our Cameroon. Once again, Ghana are missing from the Chan tournament. A dear Nasa, you miss out here, a kafa your league, no, and the quality of your players I war, our Ghana league.
I think, say, and said that, ma, picture, say, your leg in your papa. Say, ne, say, Kotoko Timiko, Kwame Poku free. junior division 1 and our lower team about the airway has Kofa Victor Edu yet Kuruma who strikers in here near Kofo Bifree I met two to be quiet and Wasambana Ghana clubs no other boy goes it to be Kofana to say we have quality here. It all behoves on the philosophy of the coach. Every editing no mama so no. None the philosophy no one. Maybe I'm in player we na mepe we men freno me free we and it your try and fact. Every swan can farmers so good one chan coach. And a different coach or qualified team. So we cannot draw the conclusion say it's a drop it up. We say if you are quality in league. No, it could have been a different coach who could have selected different players. Kotoko players here near Zomonyadi and a Johnson, the Omubui. Omo ya just me lusu or wafada and power ko ebi obi na de call ya me na me de call wafa ebi an kamesha na me lose. So we cannot draw that conclusion 100% or total conclusion to say the league quality is less. It depends on who led the team to the battle. His philosophy was what? Me pay striker away, me pay defender away, me pay goalkeeper away, me pay goalkeeper away. And so these are some of the because Samina Ebi am turn coach. In case you are not kofa mediama goalkeeper no ufurentwi na nke bede ma bobo kina nene we Ebi am ko yese me kofa kotoko goalkeeper. So these are some of the nitty gritty sir. I was here sheni it say it depending on Ebi a coach no the philosophy and our team now unqualified based on players or peke here.
So coach Metiwasi you are saying sir Ghana your absence our channel and say ye new quality and as a league ninye. Name coach Master Krodu and Antotu Nyoma ye entina ne ye ni chan nibino.
Me you should want to tell Nyoma ye. Ebi a coach Master Krodu ne past ne philosophy no choose ye no and I'm why and I am qualified. Ne Nyoma de or to bet you about or to 2 ye but the philosophy the choice of players are ebi a no pay or the boy and another coach would have chosen a different philosophy and that with different players and would have qualified. And you know, I don't just say players papa in league. It all the ever say has a team and career chanting and a normal qualifier. And come and qualify. But papa to buy you would say has players, but they are playing and then has to be passing ball from the goalkeeper. It need pass players opponent is now has started the attack from the defense. Passing the ball but before this has players boom and there will be a moment passing from the goalkeeper to say Bravo or Man City and another keeper or Man City almost started attack. And so I'm trying to conclude that the players are there, but the philosophy of maybe a match where an armor young qualified, but we have quality players.
Coach Minimisa, we are one campaigner for local content our Blasters, say young qualifier and Kwachan. Your local clubs no entimi mbo in the group stages of Confederations Cup and Champions League consistently. How does it weaken the argument of say your quality within our local league and your more opportunity out the Blasters proper?
Some question now ubusaniya. A weaken because let's use Dr. Kwamichi any example. Dr. Ba protocol. 4 players, this cashier Montimi go group stage in the Confederation. Based on the support from the Kotoko fans, the great Kotoko fans are almost supporting, also 4 players. So this cashier and so and then players and then we are far. And so to me, these are some of the if we are able to build consistent teams, consistency in our local class, the say Kotoko and say Mansobaku Neo, Kotoko so pay $60,000 or the August Yoka, upon the Morocco, you say Atono, so when you. These are some of the second year consistent by keeping the players. And then we keep argument and say you need quality players in Kenya. But is the weekend team near Africa near so to me the quality is there, but administrative wise, consistency wise, and when it comes to the national team, so the philosophy of the coach, Ni na depend and intimi me go do nsuo na no.
Coach, Kumasi for the your friend Kumerican Coutinho. But yet he said, oh, Accra, will say he's the Mohamed Salah of Ghana Premier League. I have brand your friend Fabio Gama. Where they very, very snappy. Or by opportunities are one year kotoko. Any games kakana wabono. Saying and who Fabio Gama any influence on Ghana football.
Fabio, maybe who is a quality player because of the flair. Kotoko players in the Bonasi. And I wish Kotoko will have a video analyst to show the attackers when Messi has the ball on his feet. I think Fabio Penny say, Fabio up a give and go. Give and go. Or the man, not their man. Or Mawa, no, I was planning not their man, not their man, not their man. But Oma Kotoko for no 1-2 over to me from man on my ball. It does almost go short. No more say chance to me and that. So the influence in the Kotoko team is huge, but boys didn't team in I see here with more variations in attack. On the impact on the local league, Gama now Kotoko Obiemi at least while documenting Kwame Poku, Obiemi himself Kwame Poku, but Obian so any that the Brazilian is going to play. So to me, there while lifting a leg in no interest, Mama Kofunia will pull the eyes on Kotoko games. And I think it's good for us. Only say the team should be able to understand his combination passes, the give and go passes. No, we do not have a problem at all.
Coach, I know that's the first one you're putting on the actual
supporters. Then you'll be our studio.
Okay, I know Coach Opele Boateng, no, it could be a young commoner.